to Colombia on Worldly Treats with No Meats. Colombia has a rich culture and a fantastic and varied cuisine. I've been told that the people in Colombia eat this dish every day. Colombia is a republic in northwestern South America. It is a Spanish-speaking nation of 49 million people and is part of Latin America. It is situated on the very edge of the continent, forming the only land border with North America, and encompasses some of the Amazon rainforest and the Andes Mountains. Colombia was originally inhabited by indigenous peoples such as the Quimbaya and the Tairona. One of the men who sailed with Christopher Columbus reached the land in 1499, and it was subsequently explored by Spanish sailors. In the 1520s and 1530s, what would become Colombia's major cities were founded, including Cartagena and Bogota, the present-day capital. Rumors of El Dorado, the city of gold, drew more and more explorers to the land. Originally founded as New Granada, the land eventually became part of the Viceroyalty of Peru, and then again became separate in 1717. Desires for independence has existed ever since the Spanish first arrived. A rebellion led by Simón Bolívar led to the independence in 1819. This has led to what is known today as Gran Colombia, which also includes present-day Panama, Venezuela, Ecuador, Guyana, and part of Peru and Brazil. One by one, these other nations separated, and the territory shrunk down to the present-day Colombia. Today, Colombia inhabits 1.1 million square kilometer area, which includes some notably distant islands in the Caribbean and Pacific. It is a tropical mountainous climate and is one of the few megadiverse countries when considering biodiversity. Besides Spanish, at least 65 indigenous languages are also spoken in Colombia. For this you will need 1 cup pre-cooked cornmeal, 1 cup of hot water, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of soft butter divided, and 6 slices of mozzarella cheese. In a medium bowl, mix the cornmeal with water, salt, and butter. Knead with your hands for about 3 minutes, moistening your hands with water as you work. Form 3 small balls with the dough. Place each ball between 2 plastic bags or parchment paper, and with a flat pot, cover to flatten about 1/3 of an inch. The arepas should be about 5 inches in diameter. Add butter to a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the arepas in the pan and cook about 3 minutes on each side until a crust forms or until they are golden brown. Split the arepas with a knife as you would with an English muffin and stuff with 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. Place the stuffed arepas back on the skillet over medium-high heat and cook 2 minutes on each side or until the cheese is melted, and serve immediately. Yeah, it's really good. Nice and crispy and buttery, the crust and the cheese melty inside. Really good flavor. I could eat these a lot.